Hi everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning. So we are covering class 10's important 5 mark or 3 mark questions. And in today's video, let us see an important trigonometry question. The question is, prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So we all know secant is nothing but 1 upon cos. Cosecant is nothing but 1 upon sine, right? And on the LHS side, okay, everything is in tan and cot. So the minute you see such questions, what is the first thing that you have to do? You have to convert all tan and cot into sine and cos. Okay, so let us take the LHS and let's convert everything into sine and cos. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sine by cos. Okay, so we are taking only the left hand side. The numerator tan is nothing but sine by cos. So I'll write sine by cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cot theta is nothing but inverse of tan, right? So cos theta by sine theta plus cot theta is nothing but cos by sine, cos upon sine theta whole divided by 1 minus tan is nothing but sine upon cos, sine theta by cos theta. Okay, let's take the LCM of the denominator, so that will become, the numerator is sine by cos whole divided by, when you take sine theta as the LCM, the numerator will be, okay, so this is nothing but, this is by 1, right? So sine theta, 1 into sine theta is sine theta multiplied by 1. So here numerator will be sine theta minus cos theta, okay, plus again cos theta by sine theta whole divided by, in the denominator take LCM cos theta, and here you will have cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, so here you will have to, when the fraction in the denominator goes to the numerator part, it will get reversed, right? It gets reversed. So the numerator is nothing but sine theta by cos theta multiplied by, just reverse it. So sine theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, plus as usual, the numerator is cos by sine multiplied by, this denominator goes, when the fraction in the denominator goes to the numerator, it just gets reversed. So it will be cos divided by cos theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, now just multiply. Here you have sine multiplied by sine, which is nothing but your sine square theta, divided by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, plus cos square theta divided by sine theta multiplied by cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, now in these two terms you have sine theta minus cos theta and then cos minus sine. If I take a negative outside, right, this will become sine theta minus cos theta. So what I do in the next step is, I will take sine square, the first term will remain the same, sine theta minus cos theta. I will take negative outside, so that, okay, the denominator becomes sine theta multiplied by sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, now in these two terms I will take out common, that is 1 divided by sine theta minus cos theta. I will take common out. So what is left inside is sine square theta divided by cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sine theta. This is what is left, right? Now let me take the LCM again. Okay, so the denominator will remain the same. The term outside the bracket, that is 1 divided by sine theta minus cos theta, and here take the LCM, so you'll have sine theta cos theta. Okay, so which compared to these two, which is not there, your sine theta is not there, so that you'll multiply it here in the numerator. So here the first part will be sine square theta into sine theta, sine cube theta, minus cos theta multiplied by cos square theta is nothing but cos cube theta. Okay. After that, you'll have to expand it, right? A cube minus B cube formula. Okay, so you have 1 by sine theta minus cos theta, and then here you will have sine theta minus cos theta multiplied by sine square theta plus cos square theta plus A into B, that is sine theta cos theta. Okay, A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB, whole divided by sine theta cos theta. Okay, so this sine theta minus cos theta will get cancelled. The numerator sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, plus you have the last term, that sine theta cos theta, divided by, you have denominator sine theta cos theta. Okay, so this is what remains. Split it up, so 1 divided by sine theta cos theta, plus you have sine theta cos theta divided by sine theta cos theta. So this gets cancelled, it's 1. Okay, so here you have 1 by sine is cosecant theta multiplied 1 by cos is secant theta plus 1. Okay, so, or it is, you can write it as, your RHS is nothing but 1 plus secant theta cos theta. So you can write it in this form, 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta is equal to your RHS, hence proved. Okay, so always remember, the minute you get such questions, the first thing to do is you will have to convert all these tan and cot into sine and cos, and just keep solving. And finally, make sure you don't do any mistakes here. Okay, when you're taking the LCM or when you're expanding sine cube theta minus cos cube theta as, okay, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, make sure you are doing it correctly, and at the end, if you have done everything correctly, you will arrive at this, right? 1 plus sine cosecant, 1 by cos is secant plus 1. That's all, hence proved. So you'll get 5 marks for this. Okay, hope you understood. Do try it yourself and let me know if this video was useful. Do share it with your friends. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Happy learning and all the very best.